Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you the switch access on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just scroll on the down. No need to scroll, just click on the search option and search for the here uh, switch access. Okay. Just click on switch access. When you click on it, here is the switch access. Just click here on this icon. Then this is the switch access. Okay, if you want to activate this switch access, just click on this icon here. The switch access will be activated. Just click on OK. You just need to click on OK after clicking on that icon. Okay, if you don't want, just click on cancel, and if you want, just click on switch access. Okay, and if you want to off, it was activate from before only, you want to off, this is the off option. Okay, and this is the shortcut. If you want to activate this shortcut, same only, just click on this icon and click on OK. The shortcut will be activated. Okay, allow switch access to have full control of your device. I cancel it because I don't want to allow it. If you want to allow it, just click on this is the off option. These two are the off option. Okay, if you want to activate, just click on that icon and click on OK. Right. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video. Friends, thanks for watching.